Hello everyone, today we will be solving question number 11. So in question number 11 it has been said that let f of x be equal to sine x by 3 plus cos of 3x by 10 for all real x. We need to find out the least natural number n such that f of n pi plus x is equal to f of x for all real x. So basically we are concerned with the period of f of x. Okay, so now here period of f of x. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out the period of f of x. So now the period of f of x is basically now period of sine x. So sine x repeats itself after 2 pi. Okay, so therefore the period of sine of x by 3 is basically 2 pi into 3, which is given by 6 pi. Okay, similarly period of cos x is also 2 pi. Okay, so that implies that period of cos of thrice x by 10 is basically 2 pi into 10 by 3, which is basically 20 pi by 3. So therefore period of sine of x by 3 plus cos of thrice x by 10 is basically LCM of the period of sine x by 3, which is 6 pi, and cos of 3x by 10, which is 20 pi by 3. So as you can see, the LCM will be basically 60 pi. Okay, 60 pi. So therefore n, the period which we need to find out, so n is equal to 60. The period is 60 pi and n will be equal to 60. So this is what we have needed to find out, and this is the answer. We'll be solving the next question in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.